What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be my first video. I will be showing you guys how to make bread, melting cheese bread with only a microwave, butter and cheese. Or the butter is not necessarily needed, but I already did for only two, but now I will be trying with butter. Yeah, let's just go right to the video. So yeah, I'm using this kind of butter because I like this one, and I'm using cheese like anyone does. So I'm going to be wrapping the cheese. I'm going to be wrapping the cheese with a wrapper. I'm just going to put the video because it's kind of very long. I think I made enough cheese. Oh my god, what is that mess? And yeah, don't forget to put the butter on. Well, you can use any types of butter. If that is better. Don't forget to know how to press butter. Yeah, I'm going to put all that much, but I love butter. Okay. Okay. Not so much. Okay, I think it's good right now because it became like this, and technically it should like this. Okay, so it became like this, but I'm going to put all the cheese because I like cheese. Cheese is life. I mean, chicken and cheese is life. And milk, because cheese is made of milk, don't forget. Okay, I think there's too much. Oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. Just look at this, too much cheese, so perfect. Oh my god, I am so excited. Hope it's become good, because, yeah. And another. And I'm going to put another put of cheese in it. Like, you want it to become good, and after all we must try for everything. Like we can do it where we must try and do experiences in our life. And oh my god, what the fuck, it becomes perfect. Oh my god, did I just swear? Okay, so yeah, it's going to be like this. Technically it's like this with my cheese. And let's just go. Okay, I'm back. So I'm going to put this on a plate like this. Okay, guys, I'm going to do it for you guys. And yeah, let's just get right to the microwave because microwave is saying, oh my god. Okay, so this is the microwave. So yeah, first of all we must open it, obviously, because oh my god, what is that? I don't know what the heck is that, but yeah. Okay, so put the bread in the hole like this. Put the bread. Okay, now okay, now I'm going to clean the house because I made a serious mess. Oh my god, guys, it's ready. Let's just go. I hope the message is going to be good. Yeah. Oh my god, guys, the cheese is so good. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited to taste this delicious thing. Cause guys, sorry. Okay, so I put it on in case it's hot. Okay, admire it. Look at it. Oh my god, guys, it seems so delicious right now. I just wanna eat it, but yeah, I'm going to show you guys how it become. Okay, so it technically becomes this, and the cheese is melted. And the cheese is melted. Oh my god, Mom, I'm dying. It's so freaking delicious. Like it's so ow. Oh my god, it's hot. It's freaking hot. Okay guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new for more food and other things video. Bye.